Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Come take a test drive today.